I'm Professor Syr Chris Evans, and I'm a medical entrepreneur. So I invent medical products to try and save people's lives and make some money. Yeah, I've formed a whole range of different businesses, from pharmaceuticals, diagnostics, medical devices. So, we've invented new types of medicines that go into cancer research, for example, and then eventually into clinical trials. Entrepreneurship is really being creative, being incredibly flexible, imaginative, and thinking outside the box. There's what I call informal and formal skill sets that you need to be successful in your own business. The informal are bits that are innate in you. It's your personality. Do you talk a lot? You're a good communicator, positive, optimistic, energetic, persuasive, one of the most key skills you need. I found it was my streetwiseness, my resourcefulness, the things I'd acquired in Port Talbot, living in the street, frankly, living on a large estate with a lot of other different kids and personalities, was just has held me in great strength going through my career. When you've got a great idea and a concept, do not be secretive. Listen to all the positive and negative things about your idea, and then change your idea and then run with it. Yeah, if you're ever going to run a business, if you're not passionate and enthusiastic and energetic and extremely positive and determined about the thing you want to do, don't do it. Because you need all of those elements, all of those characteristics to stand a good chance of succeeding, because it's like a jungle out there. But, if you really are determined and you really work hard and you're smart and you follow your dream, you'll get there.